Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss another important topic for NEET PG, which is MEN syndromes. We will quickly discuss important MCQ points. First is MEN1 syndrome, which is also known as Wermer syndrome. It is autosomal dominant condition in which there is defect in MEN1 gene, which is situated in chromosome 11q13, which codes for menin, a tumor suppressor gene. Its entities can be remembered by mnemonic 3 P's. First P is parathyroid adenomas, and most common endocrine abnormality in MEN1 syndrome is parathyroid tumors. Second P is pancreatic neuroendocrine tumors. Most common functional enteropancreatic tumor in MEN1 syndrome is gastrinoma. Friends, whatever marked in red are important MCQ points. And third P is pituitary adenomas. It is situated in anterior pituitary. And other manifestations of MEN1 syndromes are facial angiofibromas, which is most common cutaneous manifestation in MEN1, cholangiomas, carcinoid of foregut like bronchial or thymic carcinoids, and lipomas. Next is MEN2A syndrome, which is also called as Sippel syndrome. It occurs due to mutation in red proto-oncogene, which is situated in chromosome number 10. Its entities are: first, medullary thyroid carcinoma. It is most common tumor in MEN2 syndrome. Then second, pheochromocytoma. And third is parathyroid adenomas. Other manifestations of MEN2A syndrome are: first, Hirschsprung's disease, and second, cutaneous lichen amyloidosis. The next is MEN2B or MEN3 syndrome. It is also called as Wagenman-Forbois syndrome. It is caused due to mutation in red gene tyrosine kinase domain, which is situated in chromosome number 10. Its entities are: first, medullary thyroid carcinomas, second, pheochromocytoma. Other four entities can be remembered by mnemonic 4 M's. First M is mucosal ganglioneuromas. Second M is Marfanoid habitus. Third M is megacolon, that is Hirschsprung's disease. And last M is medullated corneal nerve fibers. And last is MEN4 syndrome. It is caused due to mutation in cyclin-dependent kinase 1b, that is CDK1b, which is situated in chromosome 12. It has four entities, which are: first, parathyroid adenoma, second, pituitary adenoma, third, testicular or ovarian cancer, and fourth, renal and adrenal tumors. So friends, this was all about this video. I hope you like the content. Do remember the important points which are written in red color. Do like and subscribe our channel and also share it among your friends. Thank you.